Good morning, students. I am Dr. Madhuri Chatterjee and from BBD Government College, Chimanpura. And after some comprehensions, I move on to another topic, which is the 5 marks questions regarding degrees of adjectives. Now, I had already discussed and uh, told you clearly about the different parts of speech and what adjective stands for. Adjective is something which tells us about the characteristics of nouns and pronoun. Alright, for example, somebody's height, he's tall or short or build or appearance, you know, or moods, he's happy or sad, or nature, etc. So all these things are being which are being explained come into the characteristics or come into the classification of adjectives. Now I go on to details to explain some of them to you. That is the height. Now you can be, as I said, big or small or short or tall or medium height. This is again an adjective. Then you have the age, is old person or a young or a middle aged. It can be a person is skinny or slim or muscular or stocky, and this is describing the weight, or chubby or overweight, or it is the general appearance like funny or pretty or handsome or beautiful or ugly. So all these words are basically adjectives because they are all used to describe the noun. Uh, Similarly, we have adjectives to which describes the character and personality, like hardworking and ambitious and polite or timid or happy or sociable or romantic or talkative or funny or optimistic, humorous, self disciplined, impartial, faithful, popular, intelligent, smart, serious, hypocritical, dynamic, adventurous. Now, these are also various ways of describing the persons or the people, that is noun. So, these are the characteristics. Now, I have made a small little chart also to explain this to you. So, you have abundant and generous and affectionate and polite and confident and smart and faithful and fair and patient and all these things. So these are all characteristics of adjectives. But what actually we will start, and which is a part of the topic, and I want to explain to you that adjectives, what you're getting in the examination, would be the degrees of adjectives. Now, what are the degrees of adjectives? There's the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. All right. Now, positive degree is something when there is no comparison. So the person is tall or the person is short. So this one person is only described. All right. This one person described. So this would be a positive degree. But the moment I say the comparative degree, it is used when we compare two nouns or pronouns. So, Ram is taller than Sham, or Ram is fatter than Sham, or Ram is more intelligent than Sham. So, this is a comparative degree, and here as you see from the sentences, there is a comparison between the two. So, the comparative degree is usually when we compare two nouns or pronouns. And finally, we have the 3 degrees. The third one is a superlative degree. Now, this is used to compare two or more nouns or pronouns. Okay. Now, she is the most intelligent girl of the class, the most intelligent. This is the most beautiful building. All right. The person, he is the fastest runner. He is the fastest runner, or he is the best worker, the good, bad, best, fastest, faster, fastest. So these are called the degrees of adjectives, and this is what we will be doing in the next class. So we continue with the adjectives now, and continue with the degrees of adjectives. And this is the charts have been given so that you have a look, get into your mind what exactly adjective is, how we can do the comparison. There are, as I said, there are two kinds of adjectives which I'll be discussing later, the regular adjectives and the irregular adjectives. Now, how you have to keep in mind, what are the rules you have to keep in mind when you deal with the regular adjectives, and what are the points you have to keep in mind when you deal with the irregular adjectives. So, thank you so much for now. Have a look, read them, understand them, and get the adjectives in your mind. Okay, thank you so much.